Hi, everyone. My name is Sandra Collins, and welcome to Bio 30 Medical Terminology. I'm a member of the biology department, and I've been teaching here for 20 years. Yes, 20 years. Um, I really enjoy biology. I've taught anatomy for like 10 years, physiology for like 7 years, and gen biology for 6 years. This time, we are pioneers here in Chaffey College in the sense for us. Okay, this is not pioneers in the world, of course. But this is the first time we're offering Bio 30 online. So, and for me, this is the first time I'm teaching Bio 30, but I've taught anatomy and physiology forever. So, no problems there. It's just the online format. This is a completely, totally online class. So, hopefully you have some online skills or if you've taken an online class. Please, 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 if you have any questions, if you're not sure about something, email me. And you also know that there is support online, but I have made the class. And right when you get on Canvas, there's a front page. And when you get to the front page, it says technical tips. So you can look at that. It tells you the best web browser to use. So please do use Google Chrome. Also all the little things that students, might get hung up on, they're on that page. Also, if you didn't know this, you can access Canvas through your mobile phone. So if you wanted to do that, that's a possibility too. The only thing is there are like editing issues. So you might want to think about that. For sure, when you're doing homework and so on, I would say, do it on the computer first, get used to it, and then try it on your phone. But it's so wonderful the idea that you can have it on your phone. Because this is a medical terminology class. So terminology, we're talking about vocabulary. So how are you going to get better at vocabulary? How? Yep, yep. I hear it. I hear it. It's through practice. Practice, practice, practice. The way you're going to get better is by practice. Now, people, just because this is an online class, it does not mean it's an easier or easy A class. I want to be true to the class. I want you to learn skills so you can do better in whatever it is that you want to do. More than likely, you're thinking about going into the health profession. That's why you're in this class. So having that strong, solid foundation is going to help you in your future classes. So everything, like I said, when you get into Canvas, you should already, if you're in my class, you should already be populated for Bio 30. So you go there. And the way I set it up is it goes to the home page. So with the home page, technical tips about doing well online, like study guide tips for online students. There's also how to buy the book. So there's a link there. You can actually physically buy a real, a textbook. You could buy a used book. It's completely, totally okay if you want to buy a used book. You could buy an ebook, right? And you could buy this from the publisher, which I have the link to. Or you could buy it from the bookstore. So if you want to buy it from the bookstore, which is not a bad idea either, if you're on financial aid, that might be the way you want to go. Okay. On that page, I say what the book is, how to buy it, blah, blah, blah. If you want to rent a textbook, if you want to buy an ebook, that's all completely, totally okay. Now, plus the book, you need to get MyLab, okay? Now, MyLab is a companion site, and you have to have that, okay? Because a lot of our quizzes, a lot of our homework is going to be off of that site. So you have to buy that from the publisher, or you could buy that through the bookstore, which is going to get it from the publisher. So it is up to you how you want to do it. And again, the prices I think are pretty comparable, so you could shop around. So that's the book. Then there's the syllabus. Please, please, please look at the syllabus. When you get to the syllabus page, I actually walk you through the syllabus and things to look at, blah, 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 blah. Then it says week 1, okay? So week 1, you click on week 1 and we get started. Now, people, we're getting started this week, okay? We have homework starting this week. So your first homework is going to be add a profile pic, just getting used to Canvas. Oh, by the way, on the homepage, I do have a link to how to navigate Canvas. It's like a 10-minute video. It's actually a really good video. So if you've never done Canvas before, you might want to look into that, okay? So where was I? Syllabus. Yes. So syllabus, we have that. Oh, yes, week 1. Week 1, so we're doing our profile. It says profile pic. It's really nice to see a picture to, a name to the face. So if you have that, that's great. If you're camera shy, which I totally understand, trust me, because I'm actually really camera shy. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. You can have a picture of a flower, of your dog, whatever you want, but update, say, hey, I'm here, blah, blah, blah. Then, I think yes, I do have another assignment where we're doing discussion. And just a kind of, again, a get to know you activity where you talk about what's your major, what are you doing, blah, blah, blah. And then how you think mastering medical terminology has anything to do with your life. So there's that. Then we get into the book. We get into chapter 1, into the PowerPoint, and then into homework. Okay. Now, people, there's going to be online homework. There's also, well, actually, it's all online. So let me not confuse you there. It's all going to be online. So through the publisher, through MyLab, there's a lot of nice little activities that the publisher has put together, like crossword puzzles, like matching games. There's a lot of games, which I really like because you could practice with those games and get the terminology down. And there's I want some written work, and you could download that to start that homework. And I'm not sure how I want you to submit it. So by the way, this is my first time teaching online too. You're like, oh no, the crowd goes wild. No. But it's okay, right? I've taught for a very long time, and I have an idea on teaching. It's just the technology that I have to get better at. So anyway, that kind of wraps up the first week, and this was a long video, so I apologize. If you need anything, please email me. And we're off. Welcome to Bio 30, Medical Terminology.